Are you like many homeowners with a low mortgage rate and you're feeling stuck? Hey, friends, Scott Smith with the Smith Team at Keller Williams. Wanted to share with you some insights that might give you a better perspective on how you might be able to put some of the equity in your home to work for you. So we work with a lot of families that have interest rates that are low, and they're wondering should they be moving up to their next home. The reality is actually more than half of the mortgages in the United States are actually under 4%. So there's a lot of people that are sitting in the same position as you are if you're watching this video. And a lot of those people are feeling stuck. Like we shouldn't be moving because we've got this great interest rate and we don't want to give that up to move on to our next home, just because it could be too expensive for them, or they're just real comfortable with what they have right now. But if you're in the group that is looking to maybe make a move, your family has grown, you're looking for a different lifestyle change, you're looking for a different school district, you're looking for to get closer to work, different neighborhoods, or you're just ready to move out of your current home and put that equity to work for you. Here's a couple tips for you that I want to share. The first thing is leveraging your home equity. Since the last probably 5, 6, 7 years, we've seen incredible growth in the median sale price across the country. Actually, from 2024, the median sale price across the United States was $413,000. That's up significantly from 277, not just half a decade ago. So a lot of those homeowners, if you've done things right financially, you're sitting on a good chunk of change that you could put to work for you on your next home. Yes, you've got a low interest rate, but you could put that money to work for you on your next property and trade up. We just worked with a family that sold their first home. They had great equity and they built a new home, and they are so excited to get into a new neighborhood, a brand new home where they don't have a lot of the old maintenance, some older things in their property. They've got a brand new house and they're super, super excited for it. The other thing too is waiting for interest rates to come down, which we've heard a lot. We're not expecting that that's going to happen. If it does happen, it's not going to be anything that's real significant. We don't expect that we're going to see interest rates in the fours. But what we are planning to see is home prices are expected to continue to rise. We're not seeing any softening in that market. There's still strong demand. And with that, you can expect nationwide prices to increase anywhere from 4 to 5%. So basically what that means is that if you took that $400,000 house or that you're in right now, it might increase another $20, $25, $30,000. But the next home that you might be moving up to, if it's a $600,000 house, that's probably going to increase $40,000 to $50,000. So that gap for the next house is actually going to widen. So put that equity to work for you now, and then maybe trade up to that next home. The third thing I wanted to talk to you about is consulting with your mortgage advisor and financial advisors. A great lender and a great financial advisor will give you some insights on positioning yourself financially to make that move. If it's not going to be this year, if it's going to be next year, are there some things that you can do to maybe adjust or acclimate to a different mortgage payment? If you're moving up to the next house, would you want to move from maybe have a 15-year mortgage to adjust to a 30-year mortgage, or even looking at a mortgage rate that might be 6.5% now, and getting some insight if it makes sense for you to do an adjustable rate mortgage or even refinance down the road. So there's some great options, but making sure that you connect with a trusted mortgage professional. They are not all created equal, so make sure that you connect with someone that knows their stuff and can give you some sound financial advice. The bottom line is you want to make sure that your rate is great. That's fantastic. But if you're in a lifestyle change on the horizon where you want to move up to your next home, maybe change neighborhoods, maybe move down. You've got too much property. Being in a spot financially where taking the mortgage out of the equation, how can you be onto the next chapter of your life? Certainly reach out to us. We're happy to give you an equity update for the value of your home and how much equity you'd have to put into a new property if you want to. 651-777-3434. That's the number we always talk about. You can call, click, and connect with us however you want to reach out to us. We're happy to be a resource for you and your family or anyone that you know that's looking to make a move when it comes to real estate. Have a great weekend and take care. Bye now.